So this is your podium level. This is where all the club amenities and the open areas and the green areas are going to be present. So when you come from your towers, when you approach the podium area from any of your towers, you are greeted with these open green areas and walkways. What DLF has also done over here is that they have designed these private havens all across this podium level, so you can very easily come, sit down during the evenings, enjoy the green areas, enjoy the club services, but at the same time also get a little bit of privacy if you would like to just enjoy a private conversation. If I was to lead you up over here, there is a lift lobby right towards the end of this passage, as it's visible over there in front. That lift lobby leads directly to the new and upcoming Midtown Plaza, which is also going to be the prime retail and entertainment destination over here, right next to DLF 1 Midtown and directly accessible via the residents of DLF 1 Midtown and DLF Capital Trains. Coming back to these green areas and the open walkways, you are greeted then by the infinity pool, and on the other end of the infinity pool you will see over there the clubhouse. It doesn't just end here. For a project in the heart of Delhi to have so many green areas, not only inside but also 125 acres of uninterrupted greens on the outside, is unheard of. This is also boasting, DLF 1 Midtown is boasting, as I say again, a 55,000 square foot clubhouse. And the highlight of it is not only the clubhouse itself, but also the infinity pool and the uninterrupted greens all across the project. This at night time or daytime is the complete spectacle of this project. Approaching the pool area over here, you see right after a couple of steps that this is an infinity pool, and directly after the infinity pool you have the 25 acres of open greens and land reserve over there. Imagine having a swim over here in the infinity pool and your view is a 25-acre uninterrupted green view. Again, right next to the pool, you not only have some nice private seating area where you can enjoy all the club amenities, but you also have sunbeds, floating sunbeds, and the infinity pool continues, leading us to the clubhouse.